So, class 8. Today I'm going to start new chapter, chapter 10, and chapter name is Reaching the Age of Adolescence. Okay. In this chapter, we will discuss about first. We will discuss about the endocrine system. Okay. So let's start this chapter. Okay. So class obviously 8. First topic is the endocrine system. So first of all, we need to understand that our nervous system controls some functions, okay, execute some functions. Let's talk about all the control executed by our nervous system. So the processes like breathing and the body movement, that all controlled by our nervous system, and all the response to the changes in the environment, such as the watering of your mouth, even you see the food, okay, and whenever you take any decisions, obviously your sense organ work to decide these things, and whenever you see the food, the nervous system send a signal to the salivary glands that secrete saliva, okay. So obviously if you like to eat chicken, when you see there is a somewhere, obviously start and preparing chicken, okay, cooking somewhere chicken, and obviously your nervous system just watching it, just detecting it, send a message to the salivary gland to secrete saliva, means your saliva flow into your mouth through the small tube or ducts, and a duct is a mass of cell in the body that produces chemical substances, okay. And there are the number of other slower processes that go in our body, such as growth. When we talk about growth, this is very slow process. Obviously here we just see how this function work, like how our nervous system send message to salivary gland to produce saliva. Once you are just detecting there is a somewhere making kheer or chicken, okay. So but there is also some processes, or there is some also number of processes in our body that are slow, and there is a example of a slow process which is growth, okay. When you compare the development of a body, when you talk about the growth of body, obviously it is really slow process, okay. Such process are controlled by endocrine system. So first sentence that you make in your mind about endocrine system, that endocrine system in which we talk about so endocrine system first indicates those, or we can say that it control all the processes, slow process in our body, like growth, okay. So endocrine system control these processes through chemicals called hormones, okay. So we can say that it control some slow processes of body like obviously growth by a chemical substance, or we can say that through chemicals, okay, through chemicals called hormones, okay. Let's proceed. Hormones are secreted by a large number of glands that make up the endocrine system. So whatever the number of glands present in this system by which hormones are secreted, okay, these glands do not have duct and release the hormones directly into the blood, they are called ductless glands. Okay, so there are some glands that does not release hormones directly into the bloods, okay, are known as ductless glands. Okay, so hormones regulate many processes in the body such as growth, developments, behavior and reproduction. Okay, so hormones regulates hormones regulates many processes, many processes like obviously growth, development, behavior and reproduction. Each hormone is required in very small quantity and has its own specific function. So there are number of hormones secreted by glands of endocrine system having different specific, we can also say that it releases in a small quantity having a specific function. Your body has over 30 of these hormones, so we can say that there are 30 hormones, almost there are 30 hormones there are about 30 hormones secreted, or we can say that there are 30 hormones released by the glands in a small quantity, and that having a specific function. Okay, the glands of endocrine system are located in various parts of the body, that all are the glands present in figure 10.1. When you see the figure 10.1 in your book, you found that there is pituitary glands over there, there is thyroid gland, there is pancreas, adrenal glands, ovary or testes. So these all combine in human body and form the endocrine system. Okay, and some of these glands and the hormones that produces and what they produce, we will talk about it. Okay, so we will talk about adrenal glands that obviously secrete adrenal. Then after we will discuss about pancreas, obviously that secrete the hormone insulin. Then after we will discuss about thyroid glands which produces thyroxine. Then after